what I came up for this particular hackathon. And I'm so glad there was an e-commerce section because e-commerce and software engineering are my passions. So what I've came up with is essentially leveraging large language models to understand the buying intent of people in the comment section. I believe TikTok algorithm already leverages advertisers' data to understand when a new brand owner comes, what sort of customers it should show. So there's a buying decision made by a customer, right? This is basically a really simple how social media advertising works in Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms. But I believe TikTok has something really powerful that other social media platforms and advertising algorithms does not really requires and does not really have, which is organic marketing. And I'm not quite sure whether TikTok is already taking into consideration of this particular cases, but I think it's super interesting to find out. So basically, what I've figured is there is sort of hashtags, Amazon finds, AliExpress finds, Amazon must-haves, organic creators who are not having any links or anything, but they're just making videos and of a certain product they bought for their pets. Essentially, these are also marketing pieces, but I don't know how TikTok tracks these. And I found out in the TikTok comment section, there's a lot of people with high buying intent, right? They're like saying, I want this right now. Where is there a shipping for United Kingdom? There's different sorts of people saying, this is so stupid. Who would buy this? So understanding thousands of different sentences from each type of commentators let us, as TikTok, as in I'm already in TikTok team. So TikTok algorithm now not only take into consideration advertisers. So, in normal conditions, we just publish an advertising video from an e-commerce brand and see if people are buying out of this video. But now I think introducing a new metric called buying intent instead of click-through rate, instead of CPCs, instead of purchases, there's a new metric that TikTok has to track, I believe, which is buying intent from comment section, right? And this is really useful for TikTok internally and e-commerce brand owners who wants to advertise on TikTok, because brand owners does not really, they like TikTok because they can organically market their products as well, and they want to find creators, creates a demand for this product. And how do you understand this? Through a video that is not advertised. How does TikTok algorithm tracks these? That's how I find a solution, which is leveraging large language models. And there's also a section where it's useful for TikTok internally, because not only TikTok takes into consideration, for example, a pet paw cleaner has really high intent from thousands of people on comment section. This means when a new e-commerce brand owner who sells pet paw cleaners comes, they can the TikTok algorithm understands and specifically shows to these people with high buying intent in the comment section this particular pet paw cleaner that a new e-commerce brand owner is trying to advertise on TikTok, right? So this data is really useful internally and also for brand owners to pick creators creating videos with high buying intent so that they can work with these people. Because I don't believe just following and engagements are good metrics in such a platform. And I'm going to cut to the chase because it's getting long. So here's how it works. I trained my BERT model using a data which essentially I gathered 5-6 different videos that have 20 million, 5 million and a lot of comments with from Amazon finds, must-haves, AliExpress finds. I gathered 6, 10, maybe even more videos, comment sections, and then I cleared the data a little bit here to let my model learn efficiently. And here's all this training data. And then here's how we run it. It's locally trained, and now we can, there's different ways to test this, which is, for example, a comment saying, I want this right now, how can I get it? This is a high buying intent situation, right? Let's see if our model understands as well and what it said. This comment has a high buying intent, as we guessed. And here is, this is so stupid, why would anyone would want this? And this is essentially our model will understand this sentence and say, the comment does not have a high buying intent. Our models, I want to show a particular case our model fails, and I will explain why. So our model fails what is shipping time to United Kingdom, which is essentially really important when you think about it, because if someone asking for shipping, they already make their decision about buying, so this is a high buying intent situation, but our model does not predict this. Why is this case? Because I don't have enough data to train my model. The cases like these, I have to manually tag in my data, and it misses this interpretation, right? Shipping is a high buying intent, but I have to teach this to my model because it doesn't know. But I couldn't do this because my data set is not big enough, which I'm hoping, if you like this and you'll give me a chance to work at TikTok or give me access to research API to essentially collect more data so I can build this. But now with this limited data, that's all I could have come up with. So it fails in this particular case, and it fails in many particular cases, and it succeeds in many particular cases, but it gets better with data, right? So this is essentially what I came up with. I had great time building this and hoping you'll like this, and we'll talk more maybe in demo day. Thanks a lot.